Yeah, I want to talk with Israel. If you want to fight with Iran, you should not fight with him direct. You have to fight with him indirect. You have to fight with him when you are behind USA. USA should be forward. You should be hiding in USA because of that bomb come direct to your country from Iran. So if it cannot reach USA, it is so far away. Because you are so close with him, you have to use USA to fight with that. So you are not supposed to fight with him direct. Fight with him indirect when you are back to USA, kwa sababu yale mabomu ambayo yanakuja speed dakika 6, hata ukishaka kwenye nchi yako atavuruga nchi yako sana. Ni bora Marekani, maana Marekani iko mbali. Marekani anaweza kupigana na Iran peke yake, lakini na wewe utapigana na yeye ukiwa nyuma ya Iran kama vile haupo. That is techniques of defeating that one. And when you defeat him, there will be freedom in the world, because he is supporting terrorists in the world. So he have to be destroyed in Jesus' mighty name. Yeah.